Hello everyone. In today's video, we're exploring the %EDITC built-in function in IBM I. This function is incredibly useful for formatting numerical values in your RPGLE programs. Let's dive into how %EDITC can transform your numeric data into a more readable format. The %EDITC built-in function allows you to format numerical values with special characters like asterisks, commas, periods, and currency symbols. This is particularly useful when generating reports that need to display numbers in a specific format. The syntax for %EDITC is %EDITC numeric, edit code, astfill, cursim, currency symbol, numeric, the number you want to format. Edit code, a code defining how the number should be formatted. Currency symbol, optional. Specifics, a currency symbol for formatting. Let's look at an example to see how %EDITC works in practice. Here's some RPGLE code. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 are packed numeric fields initialized with values. Edited number 1, edited number 2, edited number 3 are character fields used to store the formatted results. Edited number 1 equals %EDITC, number 1 formats number 1 using edit code 1, which typically adds commas to the number, turning 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Edited number 2 equals %EDITC, number 2 formats, number 2 using edit code 2, which might also add commas and possibly adjust the decimal places, converting 12,345.56 into 12,345,56. Edited number 3 equals %EDITC, number 3 formats number 3 using edit code 3, applying a different formatting style, which could include additional characters or a different structure, converting 12,345,678.78 into 12,345,678.78. If following similar formatting rules as before. For displaying result, DSPLY edited number 1, DSPLY edited number 2, and DSPLY edited number 3 displays the formatted results on the screen. When you run this code, you'll see output like this: 123,456 for edited number 1, 12,345.56 for edited number 2, 12,345,678.78 for edited number 3. Each number is formatted according to the specified edit code, making it more readable and suitable for reports. In summary, %EDITC provides a flexible way to format numerical values in RPGLE. Whether you need commas, currency symbols, or other special formatting, %EDITC can help you achieve the desired output. Thanks for watching our video tutorial on %EDITC, built-in function in IBM I RPGLE by programmers.io. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on IBM I RPGLE programming.